Hi, I'm Dr. Sean Behnam, and I will be demonstrating the results of a hair transplant that was done in this area. Please subscribe to my channel for updates in hair transplant results. So this gentleman had a previous hair transplant, but he wasn't happy with it, so he came to me and we filled it up. Now, first important thing, how natural it looks. The angulations, the hair over here goes in a downward direction. It gradually tilts and goes in the upward direction. Angle is very important. Naturalness is very important. I will be doing a comb through. We start from right here. I'm just gonna comb it up. See how thick that is. And you can see from the pictures previously how they could not get it as thick. See, these are really, really thick, very densely packed, using special instruments that I have developed to be able to really dense pack and place. And he had very thick hair, so very densely packed, very natural, great angle. You see, even we did the hairs on the top right here, very dense. This is the other side, and you see again very natural angles. Here the angles are going in downward direction, then it gradually changes direction and goes up. And since I'm both left-handed and right-handed, I'm able to create the angles so well, so it looks very, very natural. I'm going to do the comb through again as well over here. We're going to start from the bottom just to look at the thickness. See how thick that is. I can't even get the brush through it. And we'll just keep combing upwards again right here. Very, 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 very thick, because I have those instruments that I've developed that enables me to really dense pack the hair follicles. Very natural, very thick, very important. I only do one case, hair transplant case per day, so we could go ahead and really dense pack it. Again, that's the natural part. It looks natural, great alignment, great angles, great density, wonderful, great result.